Welcome back to English Nest Podcast, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Come on in, get cozy, and let's start today's lesson together.
So, Jack, today we're talking about a little phrase that almost every English learner uses. Can you guess what it is?
Let me think. Is it, I like it?
Exactly. I like it is fine, but honestly, it gets a bit boring after a while.
Right, it's like the plain toast of English. It works, but it's not very exciting.
Oh, I love that comparison. So today, we're giving you 7 tasty new ways to show interest, like adding jam to that toast.
Nice. So if you're ready, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into phrase number 1.
Okay, phrase number 1 is, I'm really into it. You use this when you enjoy something a lot, especially a hobby or interest.
Oh, I actually use this one a lot. Like, I'm really into hiking these days.
See? That already sounds more natural than, I like hiking.
It really does. You could also say, I'm really into Korean dramas right now.
Yes, and notice the structure. It's I'm into plus the thing, not I'm like into it. Just I'm into it.
Good point. Small grammar detail, but it matters. Okay, what's phrase number 2, Emma?
Number 2 is I'm a big fan of it. This one sounds a little more enthusiastic.
Oh, like when you really admire something or someone.
Exactly. For example, I'm a big fan of her music, or I'm a big fan of this coffee shop.
I'm a big fan of Fridays, honestly.
Aren't we all? That's a perfect example, actually.
So big fan of works for people, music, food, even days of the week, apparently.
Pretty much anything you genuinely enjoy. It's warm, it's friendly, and it's very common in daily conversation.
Okay, let's move to phrase number 3. This one is, it's totally my thing.
Oh, I love this expression. You use it when something really matches your personality or taste.
Right. Like, painting is totally my thing. Or, quiet mornings are totally my thing.
Exactly. It means this fits me perfectly. This is who I am.
It's such a casual, friendly way to talk. You'll hear it a lot between friends.
Yeah, and you can also say the opposite. That's really not my thing, if you dislike something.
Oh, good point. Like, horror movies are really not my thing. Definitely not mine.
Same here. Okay, let's continue. Phrase number 4 is, I'm hooked on it.
Ooh, that sounds strong. Like something you can't stop doing.
Exactly. Imagine a fish on a hook. It just can't get away. That's the feeling.
So, I'm hooked on this show. I watched 5 episodes last night.
That sounds very relatable, actually.
It's true. Or, I'm hooked on this new game. I can't stop playing it.
Right. Hooked on is perfect for things that are a little addictive in a fun way.
Good one. Okay, Emma, what's phrase number 5?
Number 5 is, it's growing on me. This one is a bit different from the others.
Oh, interesting. What does that mean exactly?
It means you didn't like something at first, but slowly you're starting to enjoy it.
Ah, like a plant growing bigger and bigger. I get it.
Exactly. For example, I didn't like this song at first, but it's really growing on me.
That happens to me with food sometimes. Like spicy food. It's definitely growing on me lately.
Same. I used to hate coffee, but now, honestly, it's really growing on me too.
Okay, so remember, growing on me is perfect for feelings that change slowly over time.
Right. Now let's move on to phrase number 6, which is, I can't get enough of it.
Oh, I like this one. It sounds really strong, like a big craving.
Exactly. It means you want more and more, and you never feel satisfied.
So, I can't get enough of this song. I've listened to it 10 times today.
That's very believable, actually. Or, I can't get enough of this weather. It's so beautiful.
Nice example. It works for songs, weather, food, almost anything you really, really enjoy.
Exactly. It's a strong, positive, energetic phrase. Great for showing real excitement.
Okay, last one, Emma. Phrase number 7, please.
Number 7 is, it really does it for me.
That sounds a little tricky. What exactly does it mean?
It means something makes you very happy, or gives you exactly the good feeling you want.
Oh, okay. So this song really does it for me means the song makes me feel really good.
Exactly. Or, a warm cup of tea after work really does it for me.
Oh, honestly, that one really does it for me too. Especially on a rainy day.
See, it's such a warm, satisfying way to express real enjoyment.
Great, so now we have all 7 phrases. That was a lot of useful language today.
It really was. Let's quickly recap everything before we finish, just to make it clear.
Good idea. Number 1 was, I'm really into it, for hobbies and interests.
Number 2, I'm a big fan of it, for things or people you really admire.
Number 3, it's totally my thing, when something fits your personality perfectly.
Number 4, I'm hooked on it, for something a little addictive and fun.
Number 5, it's growing on me, for feelings that change slowly over time.
Number 6, I can't get enough of it, for strong, exciting enjoyment.
And number 7, it really does it for me, for that warm, satisfying feeling.
That's 7 brand new ways to talk about the things you love, instead of just saying, I like it.
Honestly, my English already feels more colorful just from this episode.
Mine too. So, try using one of these phrases today. Maybe with a friend or even just talking to yourself.
That's a great tip. Practice really is the key to making new phrases feel natural.
Absolutely. And remember, you don't have to use all 7 at once. Just pick 1 or 2 and start small.
Good advice. Slow and steady always wins with language learning.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for spending this cozy time with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like and subscribe to English Nest Podcast for more lessons like this.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode from our little nest.
Tell us in the comments, which phrase are you going to try first? We'd really love to know.
Thank you again for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.
Take care and happy learning from both of us here at English Nest Podcast. Bye for now.